Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how fix the problem if you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it on your HONOR X6a. First step to fix this problem is go back to the main menu where we navigate to the settings, and now we scroll down to the system and updates. We press that and there we have date and time option. Now we must turn on second switch to set time automatically, and after that our internet will working. We go back to the internet and try to search something, and now it is working. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!